Another weekend. Next phase in the build. Yes! Countertops going on today, sink going in today, dishwasher going in today. Yes, baby. She'll do.
Pick the one that your ass is going to be on. Why poo in plastic when you can poo in stainless steel?
Choosing a bucket for our for our composting toilet build.
We could go bigger, I think.
Oh yeah, we got to think about how much poo we want it to hold. We get one of them bins. We can order. That's right. Pooper sorted. Bunnings bucket to the wind. It's pouring with rain today, so we've fit the bench tops in here. I've just got to crouch down a bit. No worries. It fits all good. We don't know whether Hunter's not happy about the fact that he doesn't have much space in the back, or whether he's just upset that he knows he's going to the bus and that's where the monsters in the bushes live. So we'll find out, hey? You cutie pie. Hi, Stevie. Monstrous has assumed the position. Dad's trying to lure him out.
He doesn't want it.
But he doesn't want it.
Doesn't want the ball.
This is his new spot where he's safe from the monsters. It's bloody beautiful. I love it so much. Yes. Perfect. It matches so nice with the white, and it also matches really nice with our flooring that we got as well.
It was only $9.
99 bucks. What a bloody bargain. And then we'll have another piece. The same piece will be on here, and then the breakfast bar is in the same colour, but a bit of a thinner piece. It's perfect. And so we're just sorting out our little shelf that goes in behind the back. We're going to be using another piece that is same colour, or similar, very similar colour. And we're figuring out how big the lip's going to be, and it's going to come down and back and then back up as sort of like a back slashy thing. So we're just going to figure that out now.
But there's someone who can't visualise.
That someone would be me. Yeah, well, Bevan, I don't have 18 years building experience. 16 years building experience.
Rounding up.
And I've had 30 years of no practical skills experience. Okay, let's have a look-see at this. I love them. Bevan thinks it's going, he was concerned that it would be a bit too much wood because we've got wood here, and then the same wood all over here, and little armrests on our couches. But then when we think about once the cabinet doors are on and once all our overhead cabinets are done, they're all white and the whole back's white, I think it's going to look bloody perfection. Such a homely colour. There's a bit of gloss on there, and she's going to be perfect. This is legit, other than the countertop, this is my favourite thing. Look at how giant this sink is. I feel like I could fit in here from far. I could, damn it. I really could. It's big. So pretty. I never thought that I would enjoy black, what are they called? Fixtures. I never thought that I would enjoy black fixtures. When the whole black thing first came in, I was like, oh, that's a bit weird. Now I love it. Crazy about it. Getting those measurements perfect. And ruler up. We are back in the car again on our way to Auckland because Bevan has won a couple of auctions on Trade Me for things we need for our bus. We are picking up a fridge, the one that has been suggested on all of the bus pages, hasn't it, Bevan? It's the one that people have recommended, and we've been following them like a hawk, and we managed to get this one. And we're also picking up a dishwasher, which in our last video I said that that was something for later down the track, but the right one came up at the right price, so we're getting that as well. And Bevan's picking up surfboards. Long-awaited surfboards, because he's been wanting them since we got here, what, 2 months ago. COVID lockdowns twice in Auckland, which stopped us from coming. But it's all happening, so it's Friday afternoon. Bevan just knocked off of work and we're doing the 2-hour trip down to get those bits and pieces. BEVVY is going to fit our filter tap. Even though we're going to be mostly on rainwater, tank water, we still want to filter that out because it will be coming to the bus via a hose. So we were able to find a black attachment because all the filters come in silver, so really glad we were able to find a black one so everything matches. I'm just deciding where to put it, but we're thinking on that side because as you come in, this is so beautiful as you come in that we don't want to put it here to distract from the beautiful tap, faucet, whatever you want to call it. What do you reckon, BEVVY? Yeah. Stock standard answer to everything. So the reason I wanted a tap like this was so that this can pull out and you can really clean the whole sink. But not only that, you can also have different functions, so the buttons do different functions, and you can open this window and this can go outside, and it can also be an outdoor shower, which is perfect for beach trips and things like that, and then it just boom, goes straight back out.
You look like you got a bob.
You like my new haircut? Yeah. Now Bevan's going to install the underneath of the water filter now that this is fixed in place. But we could have gone there, but this, we can have a glass over there, we can fill stuff up bigger things in the sink, and just keeping this clear of water because the couch is going to be right there, so we just don't want any like splash off or anything like that there. Splash off. Absolute beaut of a day here in Waipu. Not a cloud in the bloody sky. I honestly didn't think that I would have days like this moving here. You know, I didn't think that there would be these cloudless days. This is like a Perth day.
Alright, time for a BEVVY update. Weekend's over. What I've done yesterday, I fitted the bench top, cut out for the sink. So we've got what I've done, I decided to fit everything off because I wanted to triple check all the plumbing before I started closing in things. So I've even fitted the filter, got your P-trap in there, and all that connected, and I've connected it all to, for now, for the hose outside, and everything works well. So fitted the end panel. This cabinet here, I'm just waiting for a couple of hinges I need to match in there. Other than that, I've refitted everything, drawers, and I've fitted the dishwasher. I haven't turned it on yet because I'm missing a power lead to get to where the bus is, so I'll do that in the next couple of days. And yeah, got all the plumbing, electrical down there, little space for it. And yeah, that's last couple days worth. Anyway, signing off, ciao.